Hey writers! Before we dive into today's lesson, there's something important you need to get ready. Your guided notes. From now on, you'll see these more often in your videos. Guided notes are special pages where you'll write down important ideas while watching the video. It's a chance to practice what you've learned and keep track of the most important things you need to remember. As you watch the videos, there'll be something to do in your guided notes. In this course, you might fill in a blank with an important word, answer a question, underline words in a sentence, or even highlight part of a text. Each lesson will look a little different. Whenever you see a picture of your guided notes appear on screen like this, that's your signal to do something. Sometimes you'll work in your guided notes while I'm talking. Other times you'll pause the video. When it's time to pause, you'll see this symbol. But don't worry, I'll tell you exactly what to do. So, before you start each lesson, make sure you have your guided notes and a pencil. You might need to speak with an adult to make sure you've got everything you need. If you don't have your guided notes, that's okay. You can still follow along and learn with me. All right, ready to jump into the lesson? Let's get started.
Hey.